Hello and welcome. I am Miran Gugassian from Excel Realty Academy, here to guide you through the step-by-step process of getting your real estate license in British Columbia. To apply for the real estate license in BC, you must be at least 19 years of age, and you must be of good character, meaning no criminal record or bankruptcies. According to BCFSA rules, the government agency that regulates real estate licensing in BC, number one, you must hold an English-speaking university degree or pass an English language test called CELPIP General with a score of 7 or higher. Number two, you must register for the UBC's real estate licensing course and pass the UBC licensing exam. Number three, after passing the UBC exam, you must also complete another course that is called Applied Practice Course. You can enroll in the UBC course online prior to meeting the English language requirement, but you cannot book the licensing exam until UBC receives and verifies your degree transcript or the result of CELPIP exam. During the registration, you don't have to buy the hard copy textbook. UBC provides a free digital version. You will also need a financial calculator, specifically the HP10 BII Plus. In some exam centers, the physical calculator is required. In others, UBC provides a tablet with a calculator app installed. Next up, I will break down how the UBC course works, assignments, the exam, and what to expect. Once enrolled in the UBC Real Estate Licensing course, you will get access to UBC study materials, pre-recorded lectures, live Zoom classes, and practice questions. You must complete 20 assignments within 1 year. You can submit up to 2 assignments per week, regardless when you registered. You have 2 years to pass licensing exam. The exam itself is 100 multiple choice questions, and you have 3 hours to complete. You will need 70% to pass, and you get 2 attempts within the 2 years. If you don't pass on your first attempt, you will need to wait 3 months before you can write the exam again. And if you fail the second attempt, unfortunately, you will have to re-register for the course through UBC and resubmit all 20 assignments from the beginning. This exam is brutal. Many candidates fail the exam on the first attempt, so proper preparation makes all the difference. Thanks for following. In this part of the series, we will go over the Applied Practice Course, what it is and what's involved in Phase 1. After passing the UBC Real Estate exam, you cannot apply for a real estate license yet. You will need to complete the residential or commercial Applied Practice Course offered by the BCFSA. This course has 2 phases. Phase 1 takes place before you apply for your temporary license, and it consists of about 2 weeks of online study and submitting assignments, followed by a 2-day interactive Zoom session. After completing the Phase 1, you are eligible to join a brokerage and apply for your temporary real estate license. In this step, I will explain what happens once you have joined a brokerage, and how to complete the final phase of your licensing. The phase 2 of the applied practice course begins after you have joined a brokerage. While holding your temporary license and under your brokerage's supervision, you will need to complete 2 real estate transactions. Number 1, act as a buyer's agent, and number 2, act as a seller's agent. Once both are complete, voila! You are now a fully licensed real estate agent in BC. Up next, I will break down the full timeline and cost of getting licensed, so you can plan with confidence. Now that you know the steps, let's talk about how long it takes and what kind of investment is involved. How long does it take? If you move proactively, the full licensing process can take as little as 3 to 4 months. But for others, it may take up to a year or even 2. Now, let's talk about the cost. These are estimates and can change. UBC course is about $1,500. Exam fee is about $200. Applied practice course is about $1,000. Licensing fee, valid for 2 years, payable to BCFSA, is about $1,700. Real Estate Board, BC Real Estate Association, and Canadian Real Estate Association dues are about $1,300, payable to your local board. Estimated total, around $6,000. You will also have ongoing brokerage fees like desk fees, membership dues, and commission splits. When you consider the earning potential, it's incredible how little it takes to get started in real estate compared to most other businesses. Let's talk about how we can help you succeed through the hardest part, the UBC exam. At Excel Realty Academy, we support you during the most challenging part, preparing for and passing the UBC licensing exam. From your very first class to your mock exams to the day of your UBC exam, we guide you every step of the way. And if you don't pass the UBC exam on your first try, our free repeat policy lets you retake our course at no cost. Thanks for watching this series. And if you are ready to fast-track your real estate career, visit excelrealtyacademy.com to learn more. Try a free trial class, book a consultation to get started today, or join the many students who passed the real estate exam on their first attempt through the most transparent and trusted real estate tutorial company in BC. We look forward to helping you become BC's next top real estate professional.